In this tutorial, we are discussing about working with strings. So what is Java string? In Java, string is basically an object that represents sequence of char values, or we can say that Java string is an array of characters. The java.lang.string class is used to create a string object. For example, char ch is equals to string. So here character ch is char is ch is an array which collects which have the value string, or we can create it also as with the help of new keyword string s is equals to new string ch, and here string s is equals to string. Java string class provides a lots of methods to perform operation on strings such as compare, concat, equals, split, length, replace, compare to intern, substring, etc. We have lots of methods to perform operations in a string. So how to create a string object? There are two ways to create a string object. First one by using string literal or by using new keyword. Let's discuss about it. String literal. Java string literal is created by using double quotes. For example, string s is equals to welcome, which is under double quotes. So in this way, we can create the string literal. Each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool first. So, the Java string value is stored in Java string pool. So, every time when we create a string literal, the JVM check the string constant pool first. If the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pool instance is returned. If the string doesn't exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed in the pool. For example, string s1 is equals to welcome and string s2 is equals to welcome. So first of all, string s1 is equals to welcome. In this example, let's see with the help of diagram. So first of all, what happens? String s1 is equals to welcome. Here we see that no welcome is inside the Java string constant pool. String constant pool is the memory location inside the heap memory. So first of all, a string is created in a variable is created, that is welcome, and the welcome is stored in string constant pool. And the second time when we use the same variable as string s2, then the JVM checks that following string is available in string constant pool or not. So it will find that yes, welcome is already exists there, so it just reference it with the s2. So we can use the s2 here with the reference type, but we cannot create the new welcome here. We just put the reference over there. So in this way, string literal can take place. Next is by new keyword. String s is equals to new string welcome. It creates two objects and one reference variable. In such case, JVM will create a new string object in normal non-pool heap memory, and the literal welcome will be placed in the string constant pool. The variable s will refer to the object in a heap, that is non-pool but in a heap. String objects are stored in a special memory area known as the string constant pool, as we earlier known that it is called string constant pool. Why Java uses the concept of string literal? Let's discuss it. To make Java more efficient, because no new objects are created if it exists already in string constant pool. So it make our Java program more efficient. And we all know that Java string is an immutable data type, that the data type which cannot change. Here are some Java string class method. Char at, it returns the character value for the particular index. Length, it returns the string length. Static string format returns a formatted string and returns formatted string with a given locale. String substring returns the substrings for given basic begin index. String substring returns the substring from given begin index and end index. Boolean contains returns true or false after matching the sequence of character value. String join returns a joined string. Next is static string join extend char sequence elements. It returns a joined string. Boolean equals checks the equality of a string with the given object. Is empty checks if a string is empty or not. A string concat concatenates the specified string. This is the very important function in a string. String replace all occurrence of the specified char value. String replace all corresponds to the specified char sequence. Strings equals is ignored case. Compares another string, it doesn't check case. String is split. It returns a split string matching regex. Split returns string matching regex and limit. Intern returns an interned string. Index of returns the specified character value index. Index of is returns the specified carry value index starting with given index. Int index of substring returns the specified substring index. Index of substring int form index returns the specified substring index starting with given index. String to lowercase returns a string in lowercase. String to lowercase local L returns a string in lowercase using a specified locale. String to uppercase returns a string in uppercase. String to uppercase local L returns a string in uppercase using a specified locale. String print removes beginning and ending space of this string. Static string value of converts given type into string. It is an overloaded method. These are the things which we studied in string. Thank you.